Eccoci qua. Allora, dopo aver insomma spiegato la forma del present continuous, adesso vi propongo un quiz. Allora, vedrete varie schermate, avete tre possibilità qui sotto. Per ogni dovete completare la frase scegliendo l'opzione giusta. Vediamo un pochino se ehm, come dire, se riusciamo a fare questo gioco insieme anche a distanza. Allora, first question, you say, Mrs. Smith, this is Mr. Smith, is jumping, walking, or dancing? What do you think? Um, yes, I think he is walking. And in fact, is it correct? The mice are drawing, playing cards, or eating. I think that the mice are drawing. In fact, it's correct. So let's go on. Mr. Johnson is. What is he doing? Reading a book, or walking, or smoking? Yes, he is smoking. Now, there is a child, and his name is John. John is laughing, crying, or smiling? Well, I do think he's crying. So John is crying. They are running, singing, or dancing. Definitely they are dancing. Good. Jack is eating, drinking, or fishing. Well, Jack is eating. And the birds are eating, or the birds are flying, or the birds are resting. Well, the birds are flying. Yes. The dog. What's the dog doing? It's relaxing, walking, or running. The dog is running. Good. Jack is swimming, having a bath, or dancing. Well, Jack is having a bath. Good. Now, Peter is dancing, working, or arriving. Peter is arriving. That's great. Mr. Smith is fishing, hunting, or reading. Mr. Smith is not reading a book. He is hunting. Mr. Wolf is running. He is jumping or cycling. Mr. Wolf is cycling. Are the children getting off, leaving, or catching the bus? What are they doing? The children are catching the bus. Well, this is Mrs. Wolf. What is she doing now? Is she gathering, or running, or is she exercising? Mrs. Wolf is exercising. So, what's Mr. Black doing? Is Mr. Black cutting the flower? Or is he watering the flower? Or is Mr. Black planting the flower. I think Mr. Black is watering the flower. This is James. What is James doing? Is James reading his horse? No, he isn't. Is he riding his horse? Maybe. Is James selling his horse? No, no, he's not selling his horse. James is riding his horse. Riding. So, the game is over and we did a great work together. Questo game è adattissimo per verificare sia il vostro studio che la vostra preparazione. Diciamo che dovete rivedere, no, tutte le slide con tutti i verbi che ci sono qui sotto. Di ogni verbo potete selezionare la forma base, quindi liberandola da ing form. Ad esempio, the children are, we say, catching the bus. Forma base, get off, cosa vuol dire? Scendere. Forma base, leave, cosa vuol dire? Lasciare. Catching, forma base, catch, cosa vuol dire? Acchiappare praticamente al volo l'autobus. Ok? Per ora è tutto. Ci vediamo alla prossima. Grazie e arrivederci.